Kung ikaw ay may money machine na nagbibigay sa iyo ng pera araw-araw, poprotektahan mo ba ito? Malamang iingatan mo to, ilalagay sa vault, poproteksyonan para hindi mawala or masira. Para araw-araw, tuloy-tuloy ang pagbibigay sa iyo nito ng pera. What if sabihin ko sa iyo na tayo ay isa ring money machine? We work, we make money. We work, we produce money. But if we stop working, we stop making money. We stop producing money. At kapag nawala tayo, hindi lang tayo ang mawawala, kundi pati na rin ang money machine na bumubuhay sa ating pamilya ay maglalaho. In this video, isi-share ko sa inyo how to protect our money machine and our responsibilities with the most 18 or multiple option super term insurance by MB Life. I'm Dr. Jaime Lorenzo, your money doctor, helping you create a healthier financial life. More than 50 years na ang MB Life or Manila Bankers Life. It was established by the late Senator Gil Puyat in 1967. MB Life is part of IMG Group of Companies. IMG or International Marketing Group ang pinakamalaki pong financial super hub sa Pilipinas ngayon. One-stop shop sa financial industry. Lahat ng kailangan natin para yumaman at protektahan ang ating yaman nandito na sa IMG. From healthcare industry, life insurance industry, investment industry, real estate, general insurance, and allied financial services. For healthcare industry, partner ng IMG si Kaiser International para sa ating mga short-term and long-term healthcare needs. Life insurance, MB Life and Fidelity Life. Investments, partner natin si Ramver Financials, and through Ramver, dala natin si Soldivo Funds, Philam Asset Management, Phil Equity, Atram, FAMI, or First Metro Asset Management Inc. Ito ang mutual fund company ng Metrobank Group and Sun Life Asset Management. These are mutual fund companies. Or if you want to invest directly in the stock market, you can do it with MyTrade. Sa real estate naman, condominium or house and lot, partners natin si SMBC, Ayala Land, DMCI, Vistaland under the Villar Group. Under Vistaland, nandyan yung Camellia, Brittany, Crown Asia, and Megaworld Corporation. Under Megaworld, nandyan si Empire East, SunTrust, and other brands. For general insurance, ito yung mga car insurance or fire insurance, partners natin si MAA, MAPFRE, Standard, QBE, Malayan Insurance. For allied financial services, APS or Asset Preservation Service, Everest Memorial Concierge Service, Kaiser Medical Center, Ozone, Globe, Informatics, and Haven of Infinity Memorial Garden. With IMG, you are a one-stop shop. Hindi mo na kailangan ng ahente because you can bypass the middleman. May direct access ka sa lahat ng mga companies na to for your financial needs. With IMG, you can become your own money manager. You can earn commissions and discounts from all these products and enjoy 28 membership benefits with IMG. Para sa list ng 28 membership benefits ni IMG, you can watch my financial coaching video. These are some of the group accounts of MB Life: Toyota, PBCom, K-Line, Leslie's, Maynilad, Lafarge Cement, and MG Prime Pharmaceuticals, among others. Pero bago natin i-discuss ang most 18, let me share to you the X-curve concept. Una ko natutunan to way back in 2005. Sabi ko, kung matutunan lang ito ng bawat pamilya, siguro wala ng tao maghihirap at malulubog sa utang at hindi makakaipon. Sa buhay natin, may dalawang lines. Isang line na pataas, isang line na pababa. The line going up is our savings line or investment line or our wealth line, the law of building wealth. Ang line na pababa is our responsibility line, the law of decreasing responsibility. Sinasabi sa X-curve, ang gusto natin gawin habang tumatanda tayo, umakyat ang savings natin, ang investment natin, ang wealth natin, habang ang responsibilities natin ay dapat bumaba. When we're younger, makikita natin sa X-curve na wala pa tayong masyadong savings kasi ito yung stage nagsisimula pa lang tayo sa trabaho, sa career, sa negosyo. Pero madami tayong responsibilities. Ito yung mga bills na babayaran natin or utang na kailangan bayaran, pamilyang bubuhayin, or kung nakasandal sa atin ng mga magulang natin, sinusuportahan natin ang mga parents natin. Since wala tayong masyadong ipon, wala pa tayong pera, madami tayong responsibilities, we need to work hard for the money. Sinasabi sa X-curve, habang nagkakaedad tayo, dapat ang savings line natin or investments natin tumataas. 20s, 30s, 40s, pagdating natin ng 50s to 60s, dapat money is already working for us. Sabi nila, life is uncertain. Life is uncertain because of the word if, yung if sa gitna. Sa buhay natin, may dalawang if na pwede mangyari. Unang if is, what if we die too soon? Second if is, what if we live too long? In case we die too soon, who will take care of our family? Sinong bubuhay sa pamilya? Sa mga naiwanan natin, sino magbabayad ng mga utang na naiwan natin? So, ang solution to protect the money machine is life insurance. Now, in case we live long, who will take care of us kung wala tayong pera? Ang solution, dapat meron tayong investments and long-term healthcare. Pwede nating makontrol ang pagbibuild natin ng wealth. Kung malaki disiplina mo, marunong ka mag-invest, malaki ang cash flow mo, you can build wealth faster. What we cannot control is the risk of dying too soon. Kaya ngayon pa lang, to protect our money machine, dapat meron tayong insurance habang mababa ang ating ipon. Pag pinagpili tayo between investment and insurance, of course, alam natin, mas exciting pag-usapan ng investment. Life insurance is not a fun topic, but it is a critical part of our financial strategy because our family has to live when we die. Life insurance provides instant money sa ating pamilyang iiwanan. There are 3 steps to getting life insurance. Una, alamin mo, kailangan mo ba ng life insurance? Number 2, magkano life insurance ang kailangan mo? At ikatlo, anong klase ng insurance ang dapat na kunin mo? Dahil kapag hindi natin alam ang iba't ibang klase ng insurance, baka mabili natin yung hindi tama sa atin at baka masyadong mahal. Magkano bang protection ang kailangan natin? Ang sinasuggest nating basic formula is income replacement. I-multiply mo lang ang annual income mo by 10. For example, ang kinikita ko ay 20,000 per month, times 12 months, ang annual income ko ay 240,000 pesos. Times 10, I need 2.4 million protection. In case something happens to me, matatanggap ng pamilya ang insurance money, invest nila yan, at 10% rate of return sa stock market or mutual funds, kikita yan ng interest na 240,000 pesos divided by 12 months, mapapalitan yung 20,000 per month na pinoprovide ko nung ako'y buhay pa. Ang tanong, right now, do you have enough protection to replace your income? Nung hindi ko pa alam yung formula na to for income replacement, tuwan-tuwa na ako sa 200,000 insurance ko dati. Akala ko ang laki-laki na. Pero natutunan ko to, na-realize ko, bitin na bitin pa pala ang aking protection. So it's very important to have adequate protection for our family. Kung kayo tatanungin ko, anong pinaka-importante sa inyo? Kotse, bahay, or pamilya? Siyempre, isasagot natin pamilya. Pinaka-importante naman talaga pamilya sa atin. Pero ganitong totoong nangyayari. Ang kotse, insured. Ang bahay, insured. Pero ang pamilyang sumasakay araw-araw sa loob ng kotse na yan, natutulog sa loob ng bahay gabi-gabi, walang insurance or kulang ng insurance. Kung 1 milyon ng kotse, walang tanong-tanong, 1 milyon din ang fire insurance. Pag 5 milyon ng bahay, walang tanong-tanong, 5 million din ang fire insurance. Pero pagdating sa life insurance, ang laging tanong ganito, alin ba dyan ang pinakamura? So nagtitipid tayo sa maling bagay. Kung pinaka-importante talaga ang ating pamilya, make sure tayo at ating pamilya ay fully protected din. Ngayon, alam na natin na kailangan natin ng life insurance. Alam na rin natin magkano ang kailangan natin kuning insurance. Ikatlo, anong klaseng insurance ang dapat nating kunin? May 2 klase ng life insurance policy, bundled and unbundled. Kapag sinabing bundled protection, pinagsama mo ang insurance at investment, kaya bundled. Hindi mo pwedeng galawin ang insurance na hindi mo maapektuhan ang investment. Ganun din, hindi mo pwedeng galawin ang investment na hindi mo maapektuhan ang insurance. Bundled kasi siya, magkasama. Example ng bundled protection are whole life policy and endowment. For example, kumuha ka ng policy mo, whole life or endowment, 1 million policy. Sa bundled protection, habang nagbabayad tayo, lumalaki ang cash value mo over time, pero ang protection side, lumiliit. For example, at this point, ang cash value mo ay 300,000 pesos na. In case of death, matatanggap ng pamilya mo ay 1 million insurance proceeds. Pero 700,000 lang dyan ang dinagdag ng life insurance company because 300,000 is your cash value, pera mo. Let's say dito naman nag-pass away si policy holder. Let's say ang cash value is already 800,000. 1 million pa rin ang bibigay sa pamilya, 800,000 galing sa cash value mo, 200,000 lang ang dinagdag ng insurance company. So ganun po sa bundle protection. Over time, lumalaki ang cash value natin, but the liability of the insurance company sa atin ay lumiliit. Kapag sinabing unbundled protection, pwede kang bumili ng pure insurance lang or tinatawag na term insurance. Since pure insurance lang ang bibilin mo, pwede kang makabili ng napakamurang protection. For example, 30 years old ka at gusto mong bumili ng 18-year term insurance na 1 million. It will only cost you 5,710 pesos. Napakamura. Since napakamura ng term insurance, magkakaroon ka ng mas malaking investable fund na pwede mo ilagay sa investment. Halimbawa, naglalagay ka ng 20,000 a year minus 5,710 sa policy mo, the rest, the difference, goes directly to your investment portion. Kaya habang tumatagal, lumalaki yung cash value or the savings side. Let's say at this point, 200,000 ang cash value or investment mo. In case of death, 1 million fixed insurance, dadagdag yung 200,000, so lalaki ang insurance proceed na matatanggap ng pamilya mo, 1.2 million. Let's say at this point naman, ang cash value mo or investment is already 800,000 plus the 1 million insurance, your family will receive 1.8 million. So if you want to get the most affordable life insurance and put more into your investment, buy term, invest the difference. BTIB. The multiple option Super Term 18 is an 18-year term life insurance with premium deposit fund or PDF. Ang PDF, ito yung investment portion where you can invest the difference. It allows maximum coverage at a minimal cost. For exactly the same amount of protection, most 18 requires you to pay a very low premium cost compared to other life insurance products, which will require you to pay higher amount of premium. The most 18 has the 4 cornerstones of a strong financial future. Ano ba tong apat na to? Una, safety, growth, tax advantage, protection. Safety. Siyempre, gusto natin safe ang pera natin. Kaya tayo naglalagay sa bangko because our money is safe in the bank. Pero alam natin, the growth of our money in the bank is very limited. Growth. Kaya tayo naglalagay sa investments, sa mutual funds or stock market because we want our money to grow. Pero alam natin, at certain times, the market can go negative. What if may malaking crisis na nangyari sa atin, then kulang ang emergency fund natin, then wala tayong choice but to redeem our money at a loss. Tax advantage. We all want to minimize taxation sa ating mga investments, and protection, we want to get the most affordable insurance. Now, what's revolutionary with most 18? Meron siya ng apat na ito. Una, pinakamurang term insurance protection. May tax advantage siya. Our PDF or investment can grow 5%, 10%, or even more than 12%. But our money is safe because it has zero negative feature. Ano ba yung zero negative feature? Ibig sabihin na zero negative feature, even the market goes negative. Ang minimum guaranteed na ibibigay sa atin is kung ano yung interest rate na binibigay ng top 3 commercial banks sa atin. During good times, our money can grow 12% or even more. Gaano ba kaimportante na makaiwas tayo sa negative markets? Tignan natin si Mr. A at Mr. B. Si Mr. A, year 1, kumita siya ng positive 40%. Pero nung year 2, nag-negative 20% ang kanyang investment. So 40 minus 20, net is 20%. Si Mr. B, first year, kumita ng 10%, so talo siya ni Mr. A. Year 2, 10% positive. So net, same kay Mr. A, 20%. Pero tignan natin, pareho din ba ang result? Mr. A, nag-invest siya 100 pesos. On the first year, kumita siya ng 40%. So 40% is 40. So yung dating 100, naging 140. On the second year, however, nag-negative 20%. Negative 20% of 140 pesos is 28 pesos. 140 pesos minus 28 equals 112 pesos na lang ang pera ni Mr. A. Si Mr. B, tignan natin. Nag-invest si Mr. B ng 100 pesos, 10% is 10 pesos, 110 pesos end of first year. On the second year, kumita siya ng 10%. 10% of 110 is 11 pesos. So 110 plus 11, result is 121 versus kay Mr. A, 112. Kung titignan natin, parang pareho lang, pero the effect of negative is very significant. Kaya as much as possible, umiwas tayo sa negative markets. At magagawa natin yon sa PDF ng Most 18. Bibigyan ko kayo ng dalawang illustrations. For example, client is 30 years old, gusto niya ng 1 million insurance coverage. Ang premium for age 30 is only 5,710 pesos. May one-time policy fee ito na 500 pesos. So the total annual premium for the first year is 6,210 pesos. But for the next 17 years, 5,710 pesos lang. Gamitin natin ang PDF net yield rate of 12%. Although na-discuss ko kanina, ang interest rate ng PDF ay pwedeng above 12% or pwedeng below 12%. Let's say on the first year, nakapag-contribute si client ng 1,000 a month or 12,000 for the first year. Minus the annual premium of 6,210 pesos, the difference is 5,790 pesos. Ito ang nai-invest sa PDF. Let's say at 12%, ang interest at the end of the first year is 695 pesos. Plus the capital of 5,790 pesos, projected year-end value at 12% is 6,485 pesos. Mapapansin po natin dito that the total benefit upon death on the first year is 1,06,485 pesos dahil dumagdag yung 6,485 pesos na nasa PDF. So in case of death, 1 million plus the amount of the PDF. On the second year, instead of 1,000 a month, nakayanan ni client na mag-ipon ng 2,000 pesos per month or a total of 24,000 pesos. Minus the annual premium of 5,710 pesos, the difference is 18,290 pesos. Itong nadagdag sa PDF. Plus, the PDF on the first year, sabay mag-earn ng interest kaya may 2,973 pesos po rito. The projected year-end value at the end of the second year is 27,748 pesos. So makikita natin dito, habang lumalaki yung PDF, lumalaki din yung death benefit. On the third year, nakapag-contribute si client ng 15,000. On the fourth year, 12,000. On the fifth year, 20,000 pesos. However, on the sixth year, hindi siya nakapag-contribute. Kasi medyo gipit siya, nakapag-withdraw siya ng 20,000 pesos. So the PDF, it's withdrawable anytime. Even on the first year, pwede ka na mag-withdraw. So ang total na nabawas from your PDF on the sixth year is 25,710 pesos. Your 20,000 withdrawal plus the premium of 5,710 pesos. Hindi maglalaps ang iyong policy because enough yung PDF mo to cover for the premium. On the seventh year, nakapag-contribute ng 20,000. On the eighth year, wala. On the ninth year, 12,000. And on the 10th year, 20,000 pesos. Total contribution ni client is 135,000 pesos. Total withdrawal made was 50,000 pesos because may additional withdrawal on the 13th year, 10,000, on the 14th year, 20,000. At the end of the 18 years, so makikita natin dito, nakapag-contribute si client ng 135,000, nakapag-withdraw siya ng 50,000 pesos, na-insure siya for 18 years, plus meron pa rin siyang mawi-withdraw na lump sum from his PDF na 180,000 pesos. Now, sabi ni client, after 18 years, bata pa siya, wala naman siyang paggagamitan sa 180,000, kukuha ulit ako ng another policy sa Most 18. By that time, 48 years old na siya. The annual premium is already 15,500 pesos. Yung 180,000 niya rito, pwede niya ilagay lump sum upon application, wala na siyang idadagdag, the PDF will take care of the premiums for the next 18 years. So si client, nakapag-contribute lang ng 135,000 pesos, nakapag-withdraw siya ng 50,000 pesos, insured siya ng 1 million for the next 36 years, pagdating niya na 65 years old, may mawi-withdraw pa siya 420,000 pesos. Another illustration. Same age, same coverage, but this time, gusto ni client, insured siya, at the same time, gusto niya rin mapaaral ng college ang kanyang anak. So magko-contribute siya ng 54,880 pesos for the next 10 years. So total contribution made was 548,800 pesos. On the 15th year, kung kailan tumungtong ng college ang kanyang anak, naka-withdraw siya ng 200,000 on the first year, plus 15% inflation rate every year. On the 16th year, 230,000 pesos. On the third year, 264,500 pesos. And on the 18th year, 304,175 for a total withdrawal of almost 1 million pesos. So sa 548,800 pesos na contribution ni client, na pag-college niya ng 1 million ang kanyang anak, na-insure siya na 18 years, meron pa siyang makukuha sa kanyang PDF na 1 million pesos after 18 years. Pwede niyang gamitin to for any use. But then sabi niya, gusto ko ulit kumuha ng most 18 policy. By that time, 48 years old na siya. Nilagay niya as lump sum yung 1 million pesos. Then the PDF will take care of all the premiums for the next 18 years. And then, nung 60 years old siya, sabi nila mag-asawa, mag-travel tayo sa Europe. So nag-withdraw sila ng 500,000 sa PDF. Nung 61 years old sila, US naman, nag-withdraw ulit ng another 500,000. The following year, nag-cruise silang mag-asawa. Then another travel at age 63, 64 another travel, at age 65 another travel, for a total withdrawal of 3 million pesos. So sa contribution ni client na 548,800 pesos, napag-college niya ang kanyang anak ng 1 million pesos, nakapag-withdraw siya ng 3 million pesos sa travels nilang mag-asawa, insure siya for 1 million pesos for the next 36 years, then at age 65, meron pa siyang 2.1 million na mawi-withdraw. Advantages of Most 18. What makes Most 18 unique? Number 1, gaya na nasabi ko kanina, it is the most affordable 18-year term insurance in the market today. Number 2, higher fund value. If the market is up, you can earn 12% or even higher. If the market is negative, zero negative ka. Minimum ibibigay sa'yo kung ano yung interest rate ng top 3 commercial banks in the Philippines. Plus, zero charges. Any excess sa annual contribution na nilagay mo goes directly to your PDF, no charge. Number 3, premium flexibility. You can pay quarterly, semi-annual, annually for 18 years, or you can pay one time. As long as enough yung PDF mo, hindi maglalapse ang iyong policy. Number 4, withdrawal or no loan charge advantage. Pwede mong kunin anytime yung PDF without any charge. Sa ibang policy, pag kukunin mo ang iyong cash value, which is pera mo naman talaga, they will charge you with interest. So para ka niluluto sa sarili mong mantika. Number 5, increasing coverage. Habang palaki ng palaki ang iyong PDF, ay palaki din ng palaki ang iyong death benefit. Number 6, issue age is 5 to 60 years old. So pwede mong insure ang iyong buong pamilya. Number 7, anytime you can convert it to permanent insurance if you want to be insured until 100. And number 8, low chance of lapsation. As long as sapat ang PDF mo, it will automatically pay your premiums. These are the application requirements. Una, kailangan mong pirmahan ang application form. Number 2, you have to print and sign the proposal sheet. And number 3, photocopy of one valid ID with 3 specimen signatures. For 1 million coverage, no medical requirements. Above 1 million, may medical requirements. If you want to request for a proposal, you may ask the person who shared to you this video, or you may click the registration link below. This is our financial literacy book in IMG, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. Lahat ng natutunan ko at ginagawa ko since 2005 to have a healthy financial life, nasa libro na to. Sa IMG, naniniwala kami that financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. If you want to attend a free financial coaching, either live seminar or webinar, simply register in the link below. If you have any question or clarification about Most 18 or about IMG, you can message me in Facebook, Jaime Lorenzo Jr. or My Money Doctor. Or you can email me at jaime.lorenzo@img-wealthacademy.com. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you'll get updated of my next financial coaching videos. Thank you so much for listening and may you have a healthier financial life.